Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So today I'm making a 3-ingredient orange chicken. So the 3 ingredients are 1/4 cup of organic BBQ sauce, a half a cup of organic marmalade, and 1.5 tablespoons of coconut aminos, and they're best in class, and chicken nuggets, the whole box, and you cook them for 425 for 14 minutes. And halfway through you flip them over. And let's get started. So first you put in your BBQ sauce. Next you put in your organic marmalade. And then you put in your coconut aminos. And now you whisk that up. And this is a great recipe, and you can make this for a dinner or a lunch, or maybe a little appetizer if you're having a Thanksgiving dinner, or anything really. It's just a good little dinner or a little appetizer if you're having a big dinner. And this is all whisked up. So now we are going to put this onto the chicken, and that's how it creates the orange chicken. And this just smells so amazing. It's full of life, color, and now I'm going to mix it up. And this is how you make the orange chicken. And I just love this recipe. It's so fun, festive, colorful, and brings out the joy in making dinner. And everyone loves chicken, and I love how it tastes, and this is a great little dinner. And almost done. A few more, and that smells amazing. And now I cooked some brown rice and I steamed some broccoli, and let's get our bowl and put it in. And this is brown rice. Really good, best in class. And now we got some broccoli. Always good to have your veggies. And now we get some of that chicken. This is the best part. I'm looking forward to that. And ooh, this looks really good. And now I'm gonna try it. Guys, this is just great. You should really try this. This is the best dinner you're ever gonna have. It's 3 simple ingredients, and you just put some brown rice and have some sides. And remember to eat your veggies. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.